Taking care of your car means keeping its fluids in check. So how many miles before you need to change them? Your owner's manual should be your guide, but let's break it down. Oil, the most important fluid. Change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for conventional oil, or every 7,500 to 10,000 miles if you're using synthetic oil. Fresh oil keeps your engine lubricated and running smoothly. Transmission fluid. This one's easy to overlook. Change your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles to ensure smooth shifting and avoid costly repairs. Coolant. To prevent overheating, replace your coolant every 30,000 miles or every 2 to 3 years. Keeping your engine cool is key to long-term health. Brake fluid. Crucial for safety. Change your brake fluid every 20,000 to 45,000 miles or every 2 years. It helps maintain brake performance and prevents corrosion. Power steering fluid. For smooth steering, replace power steering fluid every 50,000 miles or as recommended by your vehicle's manual. Differential fluid. If you have a rear or all-wheel drive, change your differential fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. It keeps those gears running smoothly. Staying on top of these fluid changes keeps your car running smoothly and helps avoid costly repairs down the road. Your vehicle manual is key for all maintenance guidance. Make sure you stay on top of it to keep your car running longer. Call CarShield today for more information.